race ramps. I figured I'd get a set because my Rhino ramps are just too high, too small for my Chevy SS. I've been able to use Rhino ramps for my smaller cars, my WRX, my GTI, and high, you know, the SUVs we've had. So I noticed that with the Rhino ramps on the SS, unless I put a 2x4 to lift it up before it hits the ramp, it's not gonna work. These are the race ramps. This behemoth of a box is taller than I am. RRXT2s, 67 inch. Now for a long time I've been using these old Rhino ramps. You guys have probably seen these around for a long time too. But if you haven't, they're still great ramps. £1,500 max for one side, so about 3,000 pounds for the front of the car. This is the other piece. This helps for lower cars like mine. The angle of approach is a little lower, which is great for lower cars like mine. So as you can see, it cleared it just fine. It brings it up really high compared to Rhino ramps. So that's an example what it does. It's nice as these can come out and out of the way if you wanted some clearance under there, which is really cool. So as you can see, I'm under the car. Kind of give you an idea. It's a pretty good clearance. I live in a townhome community. I looked into the HOA rules, and there's no rules saying you can't work on your car. I mean, I've changed my oil multiple times on the older ramps, and I've gotten under the car, I've taken my bumper off. Nobody ever complains. I just think ramps, it looks like a cleaner job, if that makes any sense compared to jack stands. To each their own. I'd love jack stands if I could get them. I'd love to get quick jacks. That'd be awesome, but I don't have a garage. And jack stands, I don't know, to me, those just aren't as discreet as ramps would be. Ramps are, they kind of blend in with the asphalt better, I guess. I don't know, that's just my 2 cents. That's why I'm trying, I've been using ramps for years, so there you go.